Hey buddy, today in this video, we're going to be making vegetable tofu stir fry. Let's begin. We have here some tofu, it's organic tofu, and it's around 15.5 ounces. Let's open it up. We're going to drain the water out first. Okay, I drained out the water, and we're going to take it out. It's a little wet, so we're just going to dry it up a little bit. Okay, we dried up the tofu a little bit, and now we're going to cut it up. And cut it in the center. We're going to cut it into strips. Okay, we have the tofu all cut up. And we're going to take some cornstarch and put it into a bowl. And we're going to take the tofu and just dip it into the cornstarch. Make sure to coat the tofu on all sides. Okay, last one. Okay, we have the tofu nicely coated. And now we're going to put it on the side and start making the sauce. To make the sauce, we're going to put in around 1/4 cup of soy sauce. We're going to put in a 1/2 cup of water. We're going to put in 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of ground white pepper. Okay, there we go, 1/2 teaspoon. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Okay, there we go, that's 2 tablespoons. And this is the oyster sauce we're using. If you're a vegetarian or vegan, there's a vegan version of this. And it's made out of mushrooms. We're also going to put in 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. We're going to put in 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Make sure to mix everything all nice and even. We're going to put this to the side. We have here 1/4 cup of water, and we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then make sure to mix in the cornstarch with the water, with 1/4 cup of water. And this will be our thickening agent for our sauce. Okay, it's looking good. We're going to put this on the side. And now, we're going to start steaming the broccoli. Okay, we have the steamer here. We have some water in the pan. And we're going to start turning on the heat. And we'll be back. Okay, the water is boiling. And let's put in the broccoli. We're going to put in the 5 cups of broccoli. And we'll be back in 5 minutes. Okay, the broccoli has been steaming for 5 minutes. Let's take it out. We're going to put the steamed broccoli to the side. And we're going to start cooking up the tofu. Okay, we're going to put the pan on the stove. We're going to let it heat up first. Okay, the pan is heated up. We're going to put some olive oil. There we go. Now we're going to put in the tofu. Okay, it's golden brown on one side. We're going to flip them over. Try to cook on all sides. As you can see, they're kind of crispy on the outside. Okay, they're nice and golden brown. And now we're gonna put it on a plate with a paper towel to dry it out. We're gonna add a little bit more olive oil. spread the oil around. And next we're going to add 1.5 cup of white onion chopped up. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Stir everything up. We're going to add a cup of sliced carrots. Okay, it's nicely browned up, and now we're going to add the tofu back in. And now we're going to add the sauce. Next, we're going to add the cornstarch mixture to thicken up the sauce. We're going to let it soak in all the flavor. Okay, we let it cook for a couple minutes to let it soak in the sauce for the tofu. Now we're going to add the broccoli in. Stir everything all together. And let the broccoli soak in the sauce as well. Okay, it's done. And now we're gonna put it on a plate. Okay, this is what we have today. Tofu vegetable stir fry. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.